Oh, hi. Hey everyone, my name is Alicia and I am going to do the yoga challenge with my dog because I have no friends. But hi! You're too cute. Okay. Okay. Oh. No, Bill! No! Okay, wait. Oh! Okay, wait. Bill, stay. Oh! Bill! Wait, you're backwards. Oh, stay, Bill. Alana. Okay, stay, Bill. Stay. Oh, woo! No. No. We got this, Belle. We're gonna do it. We're winners. Yes, we are. No, don't leave me. Ready? You're gonna be a winner, Belle. Belle. Oh my God. We're winners! Look at us! We're winners! Oh, we're winners! Wow! Oh my God! Stay, Bill! Stay! Come on! Up! Oh! Woo! Bill! We're doing it, Bill! Oh! We're winners! We're doing it! And you gotta stand on your hind legs too. You gotta stand on your hind legs. Wow! Wow! No, kisses. Ah! Okay, anyways. So everyone, that was our yoga challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the thumbs up. That was rough, Belle. But we're winners. And I love you. You're so cute. Oh! Please subscribe.